Hi, when you get your CoverON screen protector in the mail, it should come in this packaging. So once you open the package, you should get a scrunchie, installation kit, and the actual screen protector. So for the actual screen protector, sometimes it comes with a film that opens, or sometimes it comes with a bag of film that you can peel it off. So for my phone, I have this version. So first, what you want to do is to open the installation kit. And it should come with a cloth, wet wipes, and then dust removal stickers. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open your wet wipes and then clean the surface of your screen protector. So it should look like this, and then you use your cloth and then just clean to a final wipe to dry it up. In the process, you might have some dust falls on it, which is okay. You do have a dust absorb sticker that you can peel it off. And then just kind of go by it and just get all the dust particles out of your screen before you apply the screen protector. When this process is done, you want to get your screen protector, remove the film, or if you have this version, you can just remove the back plastic film. So usually what I like to do is I like to at around 25-degree angle, and I kind of like to match up all the buttons, the speaker button and the camera. So once it's all matched at around 25-degree angle, you kind of want to put your index finger and kind of slide it over, and then slowly move the angle, slowly touch the phone, and you're done. Sometimes if there is bubbles, which there's a slight chance that it may have bubbles, then you do have a scrunchie that you can remove the bubble. But in most cases, the screen protector should not. If you apply correctly, it shouldn't have any bubbles.